Hello guys. So today we will see what is meant by functional testing. See, functional testing is nothing but functional testing. Testing the functionalities of the application. See, testing the functional. What is meant by functional testing means testing the functionalities of the application. So, which meets the requirements, specifications. So this is nothing but functional testing. See, so there will be a requirement document. So requirements. So when we are doing function, the functionality should cover as per the requirements. So testing the functionalities of the application, which means the requirement specifications. Okay. How you are going to test functional testing? One is manual testing. Manual testing. Testing the functionalities by manually. Automation testing will do. Testing the functionalities, application functionalities, okay? Functionalities by code or script or with any tool, okay? Third one is web services testing, API. Web services testing, APIs. How are going to do? Validating request and the response. So we will do functional testing either by manual testing, we will do either by automation testing, either by APIs, web service testing. I hope you understand, guys.